Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so today we will deal with the lesson The Rebel. Okay, this is a poem from the class 7 English Honeycomb. Okay, this is a nice poem. Okay, so before going to the poem, let me ask you some questions. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends? Or do you know anyone who likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks? If you know anyone, okay, you have to think something about him. Okay, you have to make a word, you have to write some lines about him. Okay, about the rebel. Okay, actually, who is the rebel? Rebel is the one who always tries to do just opposite of something. Okay, he is called rebel. So if you have anyone, you know anyone, then you can write something about him. Okay, and make him a rebel. Okay, so now let's come to the point, come to the poem now. Stanza first. Okay, first stanza, let's see. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Okay, so here let's see the explanation about this. When the rebel encounters a group of people with short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long because he derives pleasure and satisfaction by going against the grain. Okay, that means what? Whenever the rebel he encounters, meets a group of people, okay, with a short hair, when somebody has a short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long because he derives pleasure and satisfaction. Okay, what does he do? He gets pleasure and satisfaction by doing all these things. Okay, however, he is not content, and therefore, when he sees people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his hair. That means, whenever someone means keeping his hair long, what does he do? He just cuts his hair, cuts his hair. Okay, actually, this is the nature of the rebel. Okay, so the first stanza is over. Let's see the second stanza. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. See, always opposite things he does. Okay, let's see the explanation now. Seeing everybody talk during the lesson, the rebel suddenly finds his silence. Okay, when everybody is talking, what does he do? He just keeps silent. Okay, silence, and then what does he do? He sits in the corner and then keeps silence. Okay, he doesn't make any noise with the other people. However, because he is a rebel, he cannot help but create disturbances and make a series of interjections. When he sees that everybody else has become quiet, the rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that what others don't do. When just others they keep quiet, what does he do? He makes disturbance. Okay, when everybody talks, he just keeps silence. See, this is the nature of the rebel. Okay, let's come to the third point, third stanza. Okay, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Okay, let's come to the explanation. Because the rebel always wants to showcase and exhibit himself as different, he would wear colorful clothes when everybody else is dressed up in a common uniform. See here, rebel. Okay, that's why we call him rebel, because he has always the habit of showcase. Okay, always he tries to show himself as a different. That means he tries to say that he is a different than anybody. Okay, when somebody wears good clothes, he wears bad clothes. When somebody wears good clothes, means bad clothes, he wears good clothes. Okay, sophisticated clothes. This is the another nature of the rebel. Okay, let's see the next stanza. Stanza 4. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference of cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. See here in the explanation we see, when the rebel finds himself in the company of dog lovers, he begins to prefer the cat. See, when all are loving the dogs, what does he do? He tries to find out the cats and he tries to love that. Okay. On the other hand, on being surrounded by cat lovers, he will put in a favorable word for dogs. That means when a dog is or a cat is surrounded by the cat lovers, what will he do? He will talk about the dogs. Okay. His preference and choices never seem to match with anyone else in the group. His choices, okay, never match with anyone. Okay, he is different than anybody. Okay, let's see next stanza. Stanza 5. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. See, everything is different. Okay, let's see the explanation now. When, with respect to the weather, it is difficult to bring the rebel on board, for he would appreciate the sun while all others would be welcoming the rains, and miss the rains while others would be enjoying the rain. See how he is saying here? When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. He is just praying for the rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, what does he do? He regrets the absence of sun. See, because when rain comes, what happens? The cloud, it covers the sun. Okay, that's why he regrets the absence of sun. Okay, everything is different. His nature is fully different. Okay, that is what is called rebel. Stanza 6. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. See, here also everything is different, his nature. Okay, here also different. When everybody goes to the meeting, he stays at home and reads a book. See, and when everybody stays at home, he reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Okay, let's see the explanation. The rebels are people who are usually all alone, for they prefer to read. They prefer to tread on a different path than others. That means rebels, they have a different path always. Okay, they choose the different path. They don't go with the others, with the group. Okay, so when others go for meeting, they stay at home and read a book. When the others go for meeting, they stay at home and read the book. When the others stay at home, they go to the meeting. They are called rebels. Okay. Let's see the next stanza. 7th stanza. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. Okay. Let's see the explanation. Saying yes when everybody says no and saying no when everybody says yes is another character trait of the rebel. When everybody is saying yes, he says no thank you. Okay. When everybody says no, he says yes. See, this is the another character of the rebel. Okay. Stanza 8. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is a very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Okay. When everybody says yes, no, thank you, he says no, thank you. The rebel says yes, please. It is very good that we have rebels. Okay, we have rebels. We have someone who is opposite to us. Okay, so you may not find it very good to be one. Suppose if anyone is there nearby us, then we will say that he is mad. He doesn't match us, so nobody wants to be with him. Okay, so we don't see him good. Actually, rebel is different. So usually we don't say him good, but we have to accept him because he has a different path. Okay, let's come to the explanation. It seems that having rebels around us is beneficial as they train us to acknowledge differences. So suppose we have a rebel, we have to accept him. It is beneficial he is beneficial for us. Okay, because he trains us to acknowledge differences. That means somebody is different, because in the society all are different. Okay, all are not same. So here, by having the rebel, we have to learn. Okay, we have to learn how to accept in the society, because all are different in the society. However, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society. And the rebels, okay, they are not accepted by the society because they are different. They don't go, then they don't walk with the people, and they don't match with the people. They have the different attitude. Actually, it is not accepted in the society, but it is good, sometimes it is good to be a rebel. Okay, so my dear students, this lesson is over. I hope you all have understood this. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.